currently en route to pick up my other motorcycle, a Sportster XL1200. I just picked up my CBR 650R from the auction lot. Hopefully I have enough time to do it. I'm in a U-Haul. I had to rent a U-Haul and a U-Haul trailer to get it because my truck has a bad engine right now. So I'm rushing to get there. Hopefully I do, and they bring it out and I can get this thing on the trailer.
All right, Brandon from the future here. Before we go forward, I have to explain this because I did a pretty piss poor job last time, but I do own a truck. I own a 98 Ford Ranger. I've had bikes in the back. I pull bikes with it. It's a great truck, but right now it is not happy with me. It is misfiring to hell. It threw a rod, and I actually have an engine sitting on the back waiting to be put in. It's just a matter of time to get it done. As far as the U-Haul goes, I asked multiple people to help me. Nobody could help me. They were busy, so I went and got the U-Haul. The reason I couldn't get the pickup truck, which would have made more sense, versus having that 10-foot with the motorcycle trailer, is because I couldn't get one. The 10-foot was the only one I can get. So I got that, and I got the motorcycle trailer. So I got it done. It wasn't pretty, but when you got to get something done, man, you just got to do it. But yeah, I do have a truck. The bikes are back there, a little foreshadowing. So yeah, let's get back to it.
All right, so we handled the paperwork. Now we're actually gonna walk back there and get it this time because they're so backed up, man, and I don't have much time. So I'm just gonna get my safety vest and we're just gonna do this. I may not be able to show you this on camera, but like I said, we're gonna walk back there and get it this time. Change of plans, they brought it out to me. So the bike's in neutral, so we just need to strap it down and we're good to go. Not looking for pretty. U-Haul is blowing up my phone because technically I was supposed to bring the U-Haul back an hour ago, but at this point I'm like, I gotta do what I gotta do. Sorry. All right. Other side. This bike's pretty. There. All right. We're the home stretch now. Put that in gear so she won't roll. Find somewhere to strap this thing. Running out of time, so I get these folks their U-Haul back so they can stop calling me every 25 minutes. All right, here we'll just flip it like this or something. Not pretty, but I don't care right now. Trying to get these folks their stuff back. You know what I'm saying? That's all I need. We out of here, baby. That ain't going nowhere. Let's get it. All right, Copart. Thank you. Y'all have done me well. Now I gotta get these folks they stuff back. Oh, can't forget that. That'd be bad. All right. Oh my goodness, y'all. Today has been a day. Almost 4 hours dealing with this stuff with Copart. A lot has been learned. We got the Sportster on the back. This one took only 10 minutes compared to 2.5 hours dealing with the first bike. But they were just super backed up. And you know, in times like this, you just have to be patient. You know, everybody's trying to do their job, and it's just, yeah. I'm just being patient. You know, we got both bikes. Now I just got to get the Sportster off and then get this U-Haul back. So whoever rented this thing can freaking get their rental and do what they need to do, because all the U-Hauls in the area just been booked. So yeah, let's get this thing home. We have freaking made it. I can't believe I pulled this off. Holy crap. We ain't got the bike off the truck yet though, off the trailer. See? Alright. Check that out. Okay. This chaos that actually freaking held. Didn't need a back tie down. All right, release. All right. Okay. All right, set that there. Try to roll the bike off. Yeah. Jeez, is this thing in neutral? Oh, I took it out of neutral. There's neutral. Is that neutral? That might not be neutral. Let's see. Oh, come on. That's neutral. No, that's not neutral. Oh, I got clutch. Come on, Evo. God, you are heavy. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Come on. I don't know why you're not going into neutral. I don't have time to figure it out right now. Come on. Okay. All right. You are in here. Oh goodness, I'll turn you around later. Hell yeah. Okay. That is done. Now I gotta get the U-Haul back. Oh, I'm gonna feel that tomorrow. Yes, we freaking did it. Now I'm rushing to get this U-Haul back to where it needs to be. They're gonna be mad, but I can't help that. Copart took 2.5 hours to load me, but I got it back.
All right, CBR Sportster. It's my first Sportster and my third Harley. Just like the CBR, the amount of work to get this bike in this garage, I was pushing for time on this one, but luckily we were able to get the CBR off really quick, and as soon as I dropped the CBR off, I went back to get this one, and the folks at the auction lot, they helped me get this thing a lot faster than the other one. It took only 10 minutes to get this thing on the trailer. So again, 40 bucks between this bike and that bike for the U-Haul, which was 80 bucks. This bike also would have cost me $200 to have shipped from the lot to my home. It is super easy when you do it that way, but I wanted the experience to know what it took to get this thing home. So I can tell you from start to finish, from the auction, seeing the bike on the website, everything that's involved to get it to your doorstep. And of course, including if you want to do it yourself and actually physically go pick it up. So this was a learning experience for me. I hope it was for you. And next up, we're gonna start peeling back the layers on the Sportster and seeing everything that's damaged, and we're gonna start working on it to get it back on the street. So I hope you follow along with that. And again, I hope you learned something. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.